Hair loss can be stressful, but the good news is that there are natural remedies that can help. If you're experiencing severe hair loss and looking for natural ways to grow your hair and keep it healthy and strong, here are 7 proven remedies you can try at home. Watch this video until the end, because we save the best for last. 1. Aloe Vera. Aloe vera isn't just great for soothing sunburns. It has properties that can reduce dandruff and unblock hair follicles that may be blocked by excess oil. Aloe vera promotes hair growth by repairing dead skin cells on the scalp with its proteolytic enzymes and providing essential vitamins like A, C, and E. These vitamins contribute to cell turnover, promote healthy cell growth, and provide antioxidants that help repair and strengthen hair. Aloe vera also has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that help maintain a healthy scalp, while its moisturizing effect prevents dryness and brittleness. Additionally, aloe vera helps balance the scalp's pH, creating an optimal environment for hair growth. Regular use can result in healthier and stronger hair. Simply apply pure aloe vera gel to your scalp a few times a week. Leave it in for about 30 minutes before rinsing off. 2. Coconut oil. Coconut oil promotes hair growth and combats hair loss due to its ability to deeply penetrate the hair shaft, reducing protein loss and strengthening hair. Its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties help maintain a healthy scalp, while its rich content of lauric acid, essential fatty acids, and vitamin E nourishes and protects hair. Regular use can enhance blood circulation to the scalp, improve hair resilience, and create a healthier environment for hair growth. Whether your hair is oily or dry, massaging coconut oil into your scalp and hair a few times a week can help strengthen your hair and add a beautiful shine. 3. Onion juice. It might not smell the best, but onion juice has been shown to promote hair growth by boosting collagen production. Onions are high in sulfur. Sulfur boosts collagen production, which helps in the formation of healthy skin cells and hair growth. It also strengthens hair strands and promotes their regrowth. Plus, the antioxidants in onion juice, such as quercetin, protect hair follicles from oxidative stress and damage. Additionally, its antimicrobial properties help maintain a healthy scalp by preventing infections that can lead to hair loss. Applying onion juice to the scalp can also improve blood circulation and reduce inflammation, creating an optimal environment for hair growth. Blend a few onions, extract the juice, and apply it to your scalp. Leave it on for about 15 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with a mild shampoo. 4. Rosemary tea and rosemary oil. Rosemary tea and oil are another excellent remedy. It's been used for centuries to increase circulation and promote hair growth. Both tea and oil offer benefits for hair, but they serve different purposes. Let's explore each. First is rosemary tea. Rosemary tea stimulates hair growth, improves circulation, and soothes the scalp. Anyone with hair breakage or shedding can benefit from rosemary tea. Brew rosemary tea from the leaves of the plant and apply it directly to the scalp. By the way, it works well with apple cider vinegar. You can use rosemary tea daily or as often as you wash your hair. Second is rosemary oil. Rosemary oil can condition and strengthen hair, reduce damage, and prevent breakage. It promotes blood flow to the scalp, strengthens hair follicles, and soothes dandruff and inflammation. Studies suggest that rosemary oil may be as effective as minoxidil, a common hair loss treatment, and can stimulate hair growth. Apply rosemary oil topically to the scalp. Massage it and rinse after a few hours, or leave it overnight, but avoid excessive use to prevent side effects. 5. Green tea. Green tea isn't just for drinking. It contains antioxidants that can help stimulate hair growth. It promotes hair growth primarily due to its high concentration of antioxidants, especially EGCG, which protects hair follicles from oxidative stress and damage. It also contains vitamins like vitamin B5 and amino acids that strengthen hair and improve elasticity, reducing breakage. Green tea's ability to inhibit the enzyme 5-alpha reductase helps lower DHT levels, a hormone linked to hair loss, promoting hair regrowth. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties soothe the scalp and reduce inflammation, creating a healthier environment for hair growth. Regular use of green tea rinses can result in stronger, thicker, and healthier hair over time. Just brew some green tea, let it cool, and use it as a rinse after shampooing. Let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing with water. 6. Egg mask. Egg masks are beneficial for promoting hair growth and improving hair health due to their rich composition of protein, biotin, vitamins such as A, D, E, and various B vitamins, and minerals like iron and selenium. These nutrients strengthen hair strands, reduce breakage, and nourish the scalp, creating an environment conducive to hair growth. The proteins in eggs fortify hair, while biotin supports hair follicle health and encourages growth. Additionally, the vitamins and minerals in eggs contribute to overall hair health by moisturizing, conditioning, and improving hair texture. Regular application of egg masks can result in stronger, healthier, and more vibrant hair over time. Whisk 1 or 2 eggs and apply the mixture to your scalp and hair. Leave it on for about 20 minutes, then rinse with cool water and shampoo. 7. Rice water. Last but not least, rice water. Did you know that rice water has been used for centuries by the women in Huangluoyao village in China, who hold the Guinness record as the world's longest-haired village? The secret to their long and shiny black hair is rice water. Rice water is beneficial for hair growth and health due to its rich content of amino acids, vitamins such as B and E, minerals like magnesium and zinc, and antioxidants. These components strengthen the hair shaft, improve elasticity, and protect hair from damage caused by free radicals. By nourishing the scalp and hair follicles, rice water promotes healthier and stronger hair growth while reducing hair breakage and split ends. Regular application of rice water as a hair rinse can enhance hair texture, increase hair thickness, and contribute to overall hair health, making it a natural and effective remedy for promoting hair growth. So, if you're dealing with severe hair loss, you can use these natural remedies, but it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying conditions.